2, 3, 4.
Okay, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now put your right arm out on the 4th. 1,